Here we go. I've been walking this way for some time now. This straight narrow road to the hotel.
Hi, my name is Kanishan. Good day to you from Kilston White Ends. Today we are at Equine Park and we are standing at this bungalow site here. So this is one of the bungalows that we will be doing the Advance Termite Replenishable System. So I've previously talked about the advantages of the termite replication system, and today I'll be telling about why is it important to do this for bungalows, or even when you're doing your house or renovating your house before building. So number one is you need to understand that termites are extremely destructive to the structure. I will do insert some slides and images of the termite destruction, that is what we have found. So if you have your dream home, you're building your dream theatre room, or your kitchen cabinets, beautiful wooden fittings, or even laminated floorings, these are all extremely termite prone. So termites are not only after wood, but they are after anything that is cellulose based material. That can be from your door frame, your laminated flooring, kitchen cabinets, even your theatre room, even your speakers, and so forth. So this system is extremely important to protect the homes from within. So thank you. For more information, you can visit www.hilston.my, and you can also contact us. The contact will be at the end of the video. So in short, do protect your home from termites and termite destruction, because it can be extremely devastating and also an expensive affair to fix. Thank you.